Alright, so we start with chapter 1. Okay, so the topic for chapter 1 is an overview of IT. Okay, let's we move to our next slide. Okay, so the next slide is about learning outcomes. So why is very important for you to know about learning outcomes? Okay, so actually learning outcomes is a checklist for you. Okay, so uh it will be like this. Okay, so at the end of every topics that we will discuss, okay, so this is the checklist for you. Okay, so when we finish certain of topic, you need to check yourself either you can fulfill all the criteria of learning outcomes that the instructor or the lecturers has set for you. Okay, so in this topic, okay, at the end of this topic, you should be able to identify and explain the basic operations of a computer. Okay, so the second point is you should be able to explain random access memory, or we call it as a RAM. Okay, and then at the end of this topic also, you should be able to explain the types and the characteristics of secondary storage. So in this topic, we have choose the types of secondary storage that we will discuss is about hard disk and solid state drive. Okay, and also you should be able to explain the definition and elements of information technology and other terminologies that we will use in this topic. Okay, so this is a checklist. Okay, so you check yourself after we finish this topic. Either you can explain, you can identify, you can describe about all the components inside the learning outcome. So if you can identify, you will explain about everything. Okay, so what it means is you understood all the topics that we have discussed in this topics. Okay, it's very good. Okay, so we move to the next slide. Okay, so a computer, okay, is an electronic device that receives input, stores or process the output, okay, as per user instructions, and provide output in desired format. Okay, computers have become an integral part of our life because they can accomplish easy tasks, okay, repeatedly without getting bored and complex. Okay, and then is also without committing any errors. Okay, so in this chapter actually we will discuss in detail about the different parts of computer that enables it to carry out tasks efficiently and correctly. So we will also discuss about what is a microprocessor. Okay, what is a microprocessor? It's a brain of a computer. Okay, so how it looks. Okay, so it's very interesting here, which actually this microprocessor do all the assigned tasks given by the user. Okay, so all right, so we will discuss about what is a computer. Okay, so now, okay, being a modern day kid, okay, you must have used, seen or read about computers. Okay, so this is because they are an integral part of our everyday existence. Okay, so be it school, banks, shops, railway stations, hospital, or your own home. All right, computers are present everywhere, making our work easier and faster for us. Okay, so as they are such integral or essential parts of our life, we must know that they are and how they function. Okay, how the computer functions. So let us start with defining the term of the computer formally. Okay, so the literal meaning of computer is a device that can calculate. However, the modern computers can do a lot more than calculate. Okay, so computer is an electronic device that receives input, store or process the input as per user instructions, and provides output in desired format requested by the user.